Calls may be recorded for training, monitoring, and security purposes. I'll just find your details. Please say in a few words what you are calling about today. For example, you could say, I want to set up mobile banking on my new phone, or I'd like to transfer some money.
I'd like to make a deposit.
Okay, I'm just going to transfer you to a member of your telephone banking team. Please hold. Did you know that we can send you text messages to help you keep on top of your account? We can text you when a large payment goes through. Otherwise, to continue with your call, please hold. To offer you as much support as possible, given the current circumstances, some of our team are taking calls from home or from our branches, so you may hear some background noise. Sorry for the wait. We'll get you to our customer service team as quickly as we can. Thanks for waiting. We'll get you to our customer service team as quickly as we can. How can I help you today?
Could you speak up a touch? I can't hear you very well.
I'm going to turn it as high as possible, but if I've got a bit too loud, let me know and I will switch it back down for you. Is this better?
That's better, yeah.
Is that better for you? Okay. But if it's gone too loud, just let me know. I will switch back down for you. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was wondering about making a deposit, please, because my account's kind of getting close to zero.
Okay. So when you say a deposit, is it cash you want to put in, or is it a transfer you try to do?
What I want to do is I want to top it up with 1 Bitcoin. Can I have my Bitcoin address? I'll stay on the phone while it confirms.
Okay. So let me just, so basically you just want to transfer from your account to someone else, or you want someone else to transfer money into your account? I'm a bit confused. Sorry about this.
No, I want to put 1 Bitcoin into my account.
Okay, when you say Bitcoin, what do you mean by Bitcoin? Sorry about this. That's cash.
It's crypto.
But you then have to go into
cryptocurrency. It's the same as money.
Okay, you will have to go into a branch to do that. Unfortunately, you can't do it over the phone. So are you able to go into a branch and get that sorted?
Well, we're still on lockdown, aren't we? Are they open?
Oh, no, the branches are open now. Yeah, they are open now. Obviously, some of them are open only reduced hour. So they only open till 2 or 3 o'clock. So do you want me to check on your local branch? Are they open? Would that be convenient for you? Do you want me to check that for you?
Can you just tell me, do I have to wear a face mask if I go in there? I don't like wearing face masks.
No, you don't have to. No, you don't have to. Obviously, we still have the social distance to protect you, and we have the face mask, to block it. So when you talk to each other with the counter, so you won't have to wear a mask. Don't worry about it. But obviously, in the branch, they still only have limited amount of people can go in each time. Maybe you go to the supermarket, and all my colleagues will have a face mask in front of the desk.
Okay.
So we'll protect yourself and my colleagues, but you can go into the branch and it is open back to normal now till about 2 or 3 o'clock on some reduced hour on some branches.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Well, can you tell me my Bitcoin address for my bank account before I go? Because they're long, aren't they? So I want to get it written out so I can just do it and then get out. So can you confirm what my Bitcoin address is so that money can go straight into my account? Hello?
Okay, let me just have a check for you. Can you just give me your sort code and account number of your account? I'll just bring your details up, please. And the account number. Right, thank you. I'm just going to get your details. Just give me a few minutes.
Do you not get people asking you to put Bitcoin in their account?
No, we don't get that often, to be honest. That's why I was asking you those questions. But let me just have a look. We don't get that often at all.
So if I send you 1 Bitcoin, I will get the equivalent in pounds sterling, right?
Yeah, I'm just going to double check for you. But put you on hold. I'm just going to get you because the system just crashed on me. So I'm going to put you on hold and I'm going to get back to you as soon as I can. Just be a few minutes. Thank you.
How long's a few minutes? Because I've been waiting for like 15 minutes.
No problem. Be about 3 to 5 minutes. It won't be long. I'll get back
Wow,
to you as soon as I find out. Okay, it won't keep you long.
yeah, but that's quite a long time, isn't
It
it?
might be soon.
That's
No,
like,
as I say, I've got to check on something. I will get back to you. I won't let you hold too long. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. I
okay.
won't keep you long, promise
Because
you.
the thing is,
Yeah.
like, you let me.
Hello. Thank
Hello.
you for your patience. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Okay. So basically is, okay, I guess what I'm just going to make sure I've got your details up now. I'm going to make sure, basically it's a Bitcoin thing. So you will need to give the other side, I guess, the branch address where your local branch is, and then the IBAN and a switch code. Is that the information you're asking me to give to you today?
Yeah,
Do you have those information at all?
No, unfortunately not. All I have is one Bitcoin, and I really need to send it ASAP. It's my grandmother's birthday next week, and I don't want to disappoint her. I need to give her some money, and there's no other way of me getting the money apart from me sending Bitcoin. I mean, it's worth one Bitcoin is like £7,326, so I don't see why you wouldn't accept it. Don't you have the Don't you have the system set up to take Bitcoin?
We don't have a system. Just maybe once I'm just speaking to my colleague. My colleague's here because he understands Bitcoin more. The gentleman I want to send. Do we not do Bitcoin? We send Bitcoin with about 7,000. Do you know what I mean? So
no, there's no corresponding Bitcoin address to my bank account, is what you're saying.
Okay, just maybe 1 second. You know what I might do? I might speak to him. Yeah, I'm going to pass you on to my colleague because he's dealt with cases like this before. Just want to give you the right information, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to pass you on to my colleague, John. You can have a chat with you.
Okay, am I going to have to wait for like 5 minutes again? Because my phone bill's racking up.
Sorry about you, mate. Sorry about that.
Okay. Yeah, so what I want to do is I want to transfer one Bitcoin into my bank account, please.
Right, okay. And you wanted to transfer it from a company?
No, I want to send it from my. Do you know Binance? Have you heard of Binance?
So that's a company, isn't it? Where your Bitcoin's held.
Yeah. So I can, if you give me my Bitcoin address, I can transfer it over, and I'm happy to wait on the phone until it confirms one time, and then you can just transfer that into pounds. Do you see what I mean?
I do see what you mean, sir. In terms of ourselves, with your Bitcoin,
because an American friend of mine,
do the transfers for you.
An American friend of mine said that he had it done with his American bank. They said, no problem, we can sort it out for you. I mean, it's a bit disappointing if you make all those profits each year and you can't accept Bitcoin, which is one of the biggest currencies in the world now, right? Are you telling me that?
I completely understand that. Unfortunately, you'd have to, if you were to transfer the currency, basically from the company where it's held, they would have to send it into your account via pounds, so it'd have to be converted into pounds to come into your account.
Okay, what about if you set up what's your name?
My name's John.
John, if you could set up a Binance account and I can transfer you one Bitcoin, I can trust you, right? I'll send it to you, and then you can transfer it into my account.
We wouldn't be able to do that, unfortunately, sir. That's not something which we can do.
What about other cryptocurrencies like Ripple? I heard like banks are accepting that now. XRP, have you heard of them? I can transact that money really fast to you. I can sell my Bitcoin for XRP and then send it to get the money, because my grandmother is going to not be able to get her birthday present unless I get that money sent over ASAP.
I can completely understand that, and I can only apologise that I can't assist. But unfortunately, in terms of with your current account and the accounts which we can open, we don't have accounts which are for Bitcoins. So in terms of what would need to be done is to get the money into your account essentially we'd need it to be in pounds to be able to come. So I don't know if you can sell your bitcoins to then generate the pounds to put into the account, or when from the company, if you can send into the account and then it converts it for you. But unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to take Bitcoin.
So is there going to be any way that you are going to be able to integrate that system? Because it's not very convenient for me, because I don't actually live in the UK at the minute, and I need a way that I can quickly and conveniently send money around the world. So because this leaves me in the lurch, you see.
It's not something which I've had information come down regarding about something. Unfortunately, I won't be able to tell you.
So no cryptocurrencies at all. Even if I buy like TRON, that can go even faster than XRP.
We don't have accounts which would operate with cryptocurrencies.
Okay, well, I'll have to tell my grandmother that.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.